Welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, you'll learn how to speak English confidently while shopping at a market. We'll practice real conversations, vocabulary, and helpful phrases. This is not just a lesson. This is your daily English speaking workout. So, speak out loud. Repeat after me. Practice every line. Let's begin. Hello, how much is this? Can you tell me the price of this? Is this fresh? Can I see that one, please? I am just looking around. Do you have this in a smaller size? What is the cost per kilogram? Can you weigh this for me? I need half a kilo of tomatoes. Can you pack it for me? Let's practice a real conversation at the vegetable stall. Seller. Good morning. What would you like? I want some fresh vegetables. Seller. Sure, what do you need? Do you have spinach today? Seller. Yes, how much do you want? One bunch of spinach, please. Also, half a kilo of potatoes. Seller. Yes, how much do you want? One bunch of spinach, please. Also, half a kilo of potatoes. Seller. Anything else? No, that's all for now. How much is it in total? Seller. It's 40 rupees. Here is the money. Thank you. Now repeat after me these phrases. Are these apples sweet? Give me 1 kilo of apples. Do you have bananas too? How much for a dozen bananas? That's a bit expensive. Can you give some discount? Okay, I'll take it. Please pack it. Do you have mangoes? How much for 1 kilo of mangoes? Are these ripe? I want the best ones. Now let's go to the street clothes market and practice some phrases. Repeat after me. How much for this shirt? Seller. It's 300 rupees. Is there any discount? Seller. I can give it for 250. Do you have other colors? Seller. Yes, we have blue, black, and white. I'll take the black one. Do you accept UPI? Seller. Yes, we do. Here's the payment. Please pack it nicely. Thank you. Now we'll practice some more phrases. What sizes do you have? Can I try this on? It's a little tight. Do you have a bigger size? What is the final price? Do you accept UPI or cash only? Is this washable? How long will this last? Do you give a bill with this? Can I return this if needed? I will take it. Now let's go to a grocery stall and practice there. Do you sell dairy products? Seller. Yes, we have milk, curd, butter, and paneer. Give me one packet of paneer. Seller. Anything else? You, 1 liter of milk and a packet of butter. Seller. All packed. That will be 200 rupees. Here is the payment. Thank you. Now repeat after me some phrases which will help you in grocery store. I need a shopping bag. This is too expensive. I don't need a plastic bag. I will carry it myself. Do you deliver to home? I want fresh bread. Please give me 6 eggs. These are broken. Please change this item. That's it. Thank you. Awesome, you are doing great. Here are more phrases to use at a market. Repeat after me. How much does this cost? Can you give a better price? Is this locally grown? Where are these from? Can you pack this separately? Can I use my own bag? Do you take card payments? I want organic vegetables. Are these on discount today? Can you give me a bill? Awesome, you're doing great. Don't skip, let's have a full conversation again. Hello. Are these tomatoes fresh? Seller. Yes, very fresh. Just arrived this morning. Great. Give me 1 kilo, please. Seller. Anything else? Half a kilo of onions. Seller. That's 60 rupees in total. Here you go. Thanks. You have done a great job today. You practiced real shopping dialogues in English. You learned how to ask questions, respond, and negotiate prices. Repeat this video often to build confidence. The more you speak, the better you become. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Easy English Daily for more speaking practice. Share this video with friends who want to speak English fluently. See you in the next video.